So for new students, I would like to teach you in the simplest way, and even the old ones. Some of you don't even know how to use your timetable. Anyway, easiest way to do that, to find the dates and time for your exams. You would want someone to post it on WhatsApp before you will know your actual date. Even when you have the PDF, you still want someone to write it out and post. Now, this should no longer be the case. This person has been chatting me up, so this is exam timetable. In the end, he now made his point. He said, Bio 101 missing. Bio 101 missing. Now, let me check this timetable and see what he's talking about, whether Bio 101 is there or not. How would I do that within a few seconds? I will just have to open the document itself. It's already downloaded, so I'll just touch it to open using my drive. So I will go to search. I wouldn't be scrolling up and down in the document. I'll straightly go to this search button. You can see something like what do you call it, a kind of what do you call it, lens. In secondary school you had your lens, which you used to view some things in biology and I think chemistry classes, physics classes, sorry. So science classes, let me just say science. So I'll go touch the search and then I'll type Bio 101. That's it. If it's here, it will find it. Look at this. Look at this yellow highlight here. You have to zoom in, and that's all. Zoom in to see the course. Look at that. It says Bio 101 General Biology. It's there, but he didn't say because he's one of those that makes archaic searches, like old men and women. You know, you'll be scrolling up and down looking for your courses. You don't do that. Just type the course code. Don't do that. Type the course code, then scroll down. If you come down here, as you can see, it's on the first row here. The third row here, sorry. So you just have to zoom in on the date. That's on the 12th of July. 12th of July 2021. That's all. And the time is, look at this. Let me show you something. The time is no longer difficult when you know the time for all the papers in this column, all the papers in this column, and all the papers in the third column. There are 3 columns. These columns signifies the times for exams. If you want to know the actual time, you go to the top. It appears only once at the first page. Look at it here. There's one at 7 a.m. We have 7 a.m. the first column, 7 a.m., 12 p.m., sorry, 12:30 p.m. and then 3:30 p.m. You can zoom in on those so that you can see them. 12:30 and then 3:30 p.m. So 7:30, 12:30 and 3:30. So that Bio 101 fell on the last column, which is 3:30. Just 3:30. That's all. 3:30 on which day? You go back here, you see your date. See your date. All these papers here fell on this date. And the first column here is for 7:30 papers. The second one is for 12:30. The third one is for 3:30. It's not always like this. Every semester you have to check the time from the first page. Could be 1:30, could be 2, depends on what the register decides. Can you see that? So it's very easy. Just type the course. If you are looking for any other course, CHM 101 maybe, look at that. You can see where it has selected it, has highlighted it. You zoom in to confirm. doesn't make mistake here. It doesn't make mistake. As long as the course code you typed is correct, it will always find it. This is the easiest way to locate your courses, your dates and time for the exams. So don't be asking some questions. Make use of these things digital, like someone in a digital era, not someone in those analog days. We're in digital era. If you don't do it, your kids will embarrass you one day with it. You have to adapt now.